In life, we have to see the hand of Hashem in every second of our life. If not in every second, in every minute, or in every hour. If you're not sharp enough, in every day, but not more than that. If you have a day, one day in your life that you didn't see the hand of Hashem in your life, something is not right about you. I'll give you an example. Today, I came with my entire family to LA. We had a flight 9 a.m. in Newark Airport. Supposed to arrive here at 12 noon. Just when I arrived to the airport, the flight was delayed to 7 p.m. Arriving 10 p.m., meaning no lecture. What will I do now in the airport for 10 hours? Sitting there all day. So what happened? I said to the guy outside in the street, what are we going to do? Put all your stuff on a wagon, big one. Let me take you. I don't know, I don't even know where I'm going. He take me to a place, lots of people. He took me to some isolated place, 4 people online. Wait here. They'll call you, they'll find you a flight. I go, I said, no, we are 8 people. It's not easy to find 8 people new flight from now to now. All flights are taken. They say, I try here, I try there. We tried everything, there's nothing. Or everything is booked. They say, you know what? There is one flight going to Atlanta. It was supposed to leave at 7 a.m. and it's delayed to 8:30. You have 25 minutes to make it. There's no guarantee you'll make it because I didn't pass security yet. We have a lot of suitcases. Security is a huge line. Almost no chance. I said, what do I have to lose? I try it. We stand on line, nothing is moving. 2 people, more than 50 people in security line. I'm saying to my wife, that's it. Now I'm thinking to myself, if they put the suitcases on a flight to Atlanta and I'm stuck here, what's going to be now? All my stuff is going to go to Atlanta. I'm breaking my head what to do. One guy standing over there. I'm not in a rush, sir. You can go ahead of me. And he turned around to the other person. Do you mind if we go like this, to cut like this? 50 people in 1 minute. Anyone mind? Everyone was embarrassed to say, I mind. We went right to security. We passed, now 3 suitcases they take out. I have 7 minutes to the flight, 8:30, 7 minutes, and I still have to run a long way to the gate. My son's shoes is gone. I said to him, worst comes to worst, you come with socks to LA, we'll buy your shoes there. I'm thinking what to do. Hundreds of things running through my mind. Then I had an idea. I said to my other son, run to the gate. Don't let them fly. Just tell them we're on the way. We have all our stuff on the plane. While he's arguing with them, they said, I'm sorry, you get on the plane and they will have to stay here. Just when we arrive, they close the door. Mamash, in a second, 1 second, not 2 seconds, 1 second. I walked in, they closed the door and they made an angry face that they had to wait a few minutes. It was all in such an ashgacha, and this is what we say every morning in Baruch She'amar, Baruch Gozer Umkayem. Baruch Gozer, Hashem makes a decree and immediately begin to perform how to overcome the decree. The question is, do you see it or not? That's the question. If you see it, you don't need more decrees. You got the point. If you don't see it, what does not come through the head, come through the legs. That's what they say in the Israeli army. מה שלא בא דרך הראש, בא דרך הרגליים. You don't get it when I talk to you, you get it when you run all night. After you run all night, by the morning you get the point. You could have got it in 2 minutes, but you're playing a wise guy. You learn by tomorrow morning you get the point. All night you run and you run and you run.